Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to modify your Ford Mustang in car parking multiplayer. First, navigate to the garage from the main menu. Here, you can personalize your Mustang's appearance. Experiment with different paint colors and add cool decals to make it stand out. You can also fine-tune the suspension, lowering it for a sleek street look or raising it for off-road adventures. Next, let's talk about boosting your Mustang's performance. Head over to the engine tuning section. You can install powerful turbochargers and high-performance exhaust systems to significantly increase horsepower. Don't forget to upgrade your tires for better grip and your brakes for superior stopping power. Fine-tuning your gear ratios can give you an edge in races, whether you prioritize quick acceleration or maximum speed. Now, let's dive into exterior styling. Car Parking Multiplayer offers a wide array of body kits, including new bumpers, side skirts, and spoilers, to completely change your Mustang's silhouette. You can also select from dozens of different rim designs and tire types to match your aesthetic. Don't forget to customize your headlights and taillights for that perfect finishing touch, making your car truly unique. Finally, let's explore some advanced tuning. You can fine-tune camber and toe angles for incredibly precise handling adjustments, giving you an advantage in drifts or races. After making changes, always test your Mustang in different game modes to see how it performs. Remember to save multiple custom profiles for your car, allowing you to quickly switch between a street setup, a drift setup, or a racing configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.